Welcome. In today's video, we'll be exploring a useful feature on Discord that allows you to view all the videos shared in your chats. If you're curious about how to access this content on your Android device, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, grab your Android device and locate the Discord app. Once you have it open, you'll find yourself in the familiar interface. Go ahead and tap on the contact whose videos you want to check out. This could be a friend, a team member, or anyone you've chatted with. After you've selected your contact, look for their name at the top of the screen. Tapping on it will take you to their profile, where you can see various options related to your chat history with them. Here's where the magic happens. Next, you'll want to tap on the media option. This feature is super handy because it neatly organizes all the media shared in your conversation, including videos. You'll now see all the videos that have been sent back and forth, making it easy to revisit those moments or catch up on anything you might have missed. And that's it. It's that simple to view all the videos shared in your chats on Discord using your Android device. Now you can relive those fun moments or check out any important videos without scrolling endlessly through your chat history. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord effectively. See you in the next video.